Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma chairs meeting on comprehensive drug eradication roadmap. Former Umroi MLA George B. Lingdaw leads new political forum ahead of the 2025 MDC elections. JN Stadium, Shillong gears up for the Bryan Adams concert. Manipuri Elders Consortium, Shillong organised a cleaning drive at Police Bazaar. And both houses of Parliament faced repeated adjournments over various issues. And now the news in detail. The Anti-Narcotic Task Force, ANTF, of Meghalaya held a meeting today, chaired by the Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma, to discuss a comprehensive roadmap for drug eradication in the state. The meeting focused on a three-pronged approach: law enforcement by the police, harm reduction through health department, and social security by the social welfare department. Chief Minister Sangma emphasized a holistic, phase-wise strategy with short, medium and long-term plans. The discussion also covered the need for testing, detoxing and rehabilitation centers, along with strategies to disrupt the drug supply chain. In a major political shift, leaders and supporters of All India Trinamool Congress in Umroi constituency have parted ways with the party to form the Umroi Constituency Progressive Forum, UCPF. The move comes after former MLA George B. Lingdaw's defeat in the 2023 State Assembly elections, as the new forum prepares for the upcoming MDC elections in 2025. Speaking to the media, former MLA George B. Lingdaw explained that the decision to leave AITC was made under extensive consultation with local leaders and supporters. An election committee has been set up to review and finalize candidates for the MDC elections, inviting applications for thorough scrutiny, he added.
Then Umroi Constituency Progressive Forum hadirin ke jingi Shillong ba ke jingi ajimut jong ki paiba jong nang aim sim bat kinong ilam ki jongi hakeleng jong ni Umroi Constituency ke be jongi garai banyeng independent no hakani ko po Umroi Constituency Progressive Forum ke forum ke balai lu forum independent bat hako juga po umbraong i president mentan ni don lu kajing tu menang yai syakri ke konstituensi hagi bentai ke bafer bat kawe ni kita kilat syakri kan long abangin penyang no jong pertong hagi ni election MDC hajar apusan.
Preparations are in full swing for the highly anticipated Bryan Adams concert, which is scheduled to take place tomorrow at the JN Stadium in Polo Ground. The Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium, a prominent sports venue in the state, is being readied to host the legendary singer, with all necessary measures in place to ensure a smooth and enjoyable experience for the attendees. To safeguard the stadium from potential damage, management has been instructed to install state-of-the-art canopies atop the grass in the stadium. In order to avoid inconvenience to students, all the schools in Shillong municipal area will remain closed tomorrow. With the stage set and preparations underway, excitement is building for the Bryan Adams concert, promising an unforgettable experience for music lovers in Meghalaya. The Manipuri Elders Consortium, Shillong MECS, organised a Clean Shillong drive at Police Bazaar with the goal of making the city cleaner and transforming it into a plastic-free zone. Speaking with the media, Shanghai Lema, General Secretary of the MECS, said that the initiative was organised with a view that Shillong is a popular tourist destination. She further added that the primary aim is to protect and beautify Shillong, ensuring that visitors leave with a positive impression and lasting memories of the city.
organized this program in the perspective that Shillong is a tourist place and Kandailat being the main attraction and the main gatherings of the tourists. We thought that it would be a nice contribution from our part, from the Manipuri Elders Association, to keep the area clean and green. So our main aim for conducting this cleanliness drive is to make Shillong clean, green, and to make the people coming to Shillong have a good impression and a good memory of the clean Shillong.
Both the Houses of Parliament faced repeated adjournments today over various issues. Noisy scenes prevailed in the Lok Sabha when the House assembled after 2 p.m. Opposition parties were raising slogans over alleged bribery charges against a prominent business group. The Lok Sabha Speaker asked the protesting members to allow the House to function. Amid din, the House was adjourned till 3 p.m. Earlier, the House witnessed 2 adjournments, first till 12 noon and then till 2 p.m. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has said it is time for the Youth Brigade to join politics and contribute to the nation's progress to achieve the vision of a developed India by 2047. Addressing the program organized by Ramakrishna Mutt in Ahmedabad through video conference, the Prime Minister said that the nation must prepare its youth to lead in every sector of the economy, including politics. Modi said India is marching ahead to become the 3rd largest economy in the world, and the Indian youth have a great role to play.
निर्माण के हर क्षेत्र में नेतृत्व के लिए युवाओं को तैयार करने की जरूरत है। आज जरूरत है टेक्नोलॉजी और दूसरे क्षेत्रों की तरह ही हमारे युवा राजनीति में भी देश का नेतृत्व करें। अब हम राजनीति को केवल परिवारवादियों के लिए नहीं छोड़ सकते। 12 जनवरी 2025 को स्वामी विवेकानंद जी की जयंती पर युवा दिवस के अवसर पर दिल्ली में यंग लीडर्स डायलॉग का आयोजन होगा। इसमें देश से 2000 चयनित सिलेक्टेड युवाओं को बुलाया जाएगा। युवाओं के दृष्टिकोण से विकसित भारत के संकल्प पर चर्चा होगी। युवाओं को राजनीति से जोड़ने के लिए रोडमैप बनाया जाएगा।
The centre today said that NABARD is giving monetary support for the development of tribal areas under its Tribal Development Fund, TDF, and 1,029 projects have been sanctioned in the past 18 years. In a written reply to a question in Lok Sabha, Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman informed that these projects are aimed at providing sustainable livelihood opportunities to tribal families. She informed that the TDF scheme was launched in 2005-06 and since then 6.29 lakh families have benefited from it. In Bangladesh, the Foreign Office consultation FOC between Indian Foreign Secretary Vikram Misri and Bangladesh Foreign Secretary Jassim Uddin commenced today at the state's guest house Padma in Dhaka. This marks the first high-level official meeting between India and Bangladesh post-political changeover in Bangladesh on August 5th this year. The FOC, led by the foreign secretaries, is a structured engagement between Bangladesh and India. Some schools in the national capital, Delhi, have received bomb threat via email this morning. Delhi Police PRO Sanjay Tyagi said that police teams have reached all the places immediately after receiving the email. He also assured the security of all the schools and the children. Further, Tyagi said that police are tracking the source of the email and will take necessary action against the same. And now here is the weather report. First, let's take a look at the weather report in Tura. The minimum temperature was 17 degrees Celsius, while the maximum temperature was 23 degrees Celsius. The relative humidity was 60%. Forecast dry weather is likely at most places. Moving on to Shillong, the minimum temperature was 4.7 degrees, while the maximum temperature was 18.2 degrees Celsius. The relative humidity was 69%. The forecast dry weather is likely at most places. And before we conclude, a look at the headlines once again. Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma chairs meeting on comprehensive drug eradication roadmap. Former Umroi MLA George B. Lingdo leads new political forum ahead of the 2025 MDC elections. JN Stadium, Shillong gears up for the Bryan Adams concert. Manipuri Elders Consortium, Shillong organised a cleaning drive at Police Bazaar. And both houses of Parliament face repeated adjournments over various issues. And that's a wrap of today's edition of the news. Thank you very much for joining us. And from all of us here, it's wishing you good night.
ईश्वर की कृपा है कि तुम कुशल हो। मैं तो लगातार अग्निदेव का स्मरण कर रही थी।